Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. First of all, please check out our 504 Road Trips merchandise over at Spreadshirt. There's a link in the description. Today is our 15th video in the I-85 series, and we begin at mile 51 in Greenville, South Carolina, and Greenville County. We're currently at 966 feet or 294 meters above sea level and steadily climbing. Throughout most of this video, we'll be seeing construction. The junction here at I-85 and I-385 is undergoing a project that will widen both interstates and completely reconfigure the interchange. Visible on the left, just past this exit, is the Michelin Tire North American headquarters. Here, I-85 takes on the name of F. Hugh Atkins Highway. Atkins served on the Department of Transportation Commission as the representative from the 4th Congressional District, which covers Greenville and Spartanburg. In 2002, the 13.5 miles of this highway connecting Greenville and Spartanburg were named in his honor. Mr. Atkins passed away in January of 2015 at the age of 81. We enter the city of Greer, which straddles the Greenville and Spartanburg County lines. At exit 56, we see a nice example of a SPUI, or a single-point urban interchange, resulting in an oddly shaped overpass. Then we enter Spartanburg County, which has an estimated population of 306,854, making it the 5th most populous county in South Carolina. For the next mile, on the left is the sprawling BMW facility, not really visible to the camera. Opened in 1992, this BMW manufacturing plant has the highest production volume of all BMW plants worldwide, with an output of about 1,900 vehicles per day. The models produced at the Spartanburg plant are the X3, X4, X5, X6, and X7 SUV models, and previously produced the E36 3 Series, as well as the Z3 and Z4 models. Near exit 63, we briefly enter the town of Duncan, which has a population of 3,369. The town is named after its founder, Zachary Barnett Duncan. We leave Duncan and cross into the census-designated place of Startex, which had a population of 859 as of 2010. We approach the area of Spartanburg, the county seat of Spartanburg County. Spartanburg has a population of 37,876. Spartanburg was formed in 1785 and was named after a local militia called the Spartan Regiment in the American Revolutionary War. The Spartan Regiment, commanded by Andrew Pickens, participated in the nearby Battle of Cowpens. In 1831, Spartanburg was incorporated, later becoming known as the Hub City. Railroad lines radiated from the city, forming the shape of a wheel hub. It became a center of textile manufacturing in the late 19th century, with around 40 textile mills being established through the early 1900s. During World War I, Camp Wadsworth was used to train 100,000 soldiers for the war. Camp Croft trained soldiers during World War II. The facility was transferred to the state and adapted as Croft State Park. By the 1950s, the production in these mills began to decline as wages increased. Most textile manufacturing jobs were moved offshore by the companies. Spartanburg is home to many large companies, including Denny's, QS1 Data Systems, Advance America Cash Advance, RJ Rocker's Brewing Company, American Credit Acceptance, and Upward Sports. Here we see a sign for the I-85 Business Freeway Loop, and as we've noted before, South Carolina has a lot of oddities in their highway signs, and this is no exception with the nonsensical directional arrows. Only one lane continues along the I-85 main line, but we're about to enter another construction project, and it's hard to tell if that's the reason for the single-lane mainline exit. The construction project reduces I-85 to one lane in each direction, leaving on and off ramps inaccessible, including a major interchange with I-26. Traffic wishing to access any of these connecting roads have to take I-85 business. Currently, the northbound lanes are being completely reconstructed here. Bear in mind that this video was filmed in July of 2018. Exits were projected to be reopened by mid-September. So by the time this video is published, this project may be mostly complete. Here, the I-85 business loop rejoins the I-85 main line and traffic returns to the normal northbound lanes. We conclude today's video at exit 78, noting that we never actually entered the Spartanburg city limits on I-85. Thanks for watching. Check out our merchandise at shop.spreadshirt.com/504roadtrips. I refuse to say merch. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share, and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.